This is perfect.
Useful.
Could be perspective, that's what I'm doing. Ah, thank you.
As a toolbox.
Big one, perfect, very nice. Oh, you're stronger. This is weight.
No, it's an eye.
Ah, ah, the tank.
Ouais, super strong.
It's Rafael Nadal. Oh, nice, very nice. Footprint. Next.
An eye because it reinforced my identity.
Ah. Est-ce que vous pouvez m'expliquer ce que c'est?
Donc ça en fait c'est la mer avec la houle et les vagues.
Ah, ok. Ok. Ah, c'est joli. C'est la plus belle harmonie de couleurs, celle qu'elle a choisie. Ouais. I'm sure I'm not the artist. They are. They were the artists. I am not. Actually, you know, I am the husband of the artist. Yeah. Yes, I am. The artist's name is aNa. aNa is my wife, and she created an artwork, a black line artwork that you did color with all of your idea. So now I can review what you did. I think this is really nice. What do you think about it? Wow. I think this is nice, but it also it is done with all your ideas. You can find out now every ideas of everybody inside. So thank you very much. It was a really short time. You did pretty well. Thank you, Christophe.